An electric vegetable chopper makes your work in the kitchen much easier. It is a chopper that has got stainless steel blades, which is inside a jar. It's powered by a motor, and you just have to press a button to start it, and it does many tasks such as chopping, mincing, slicing, grinding, and even cubing of vegetables, fruits, nuts, cheese, meat, whatever. I mean, it's a all-in-all chopper and cutter of vegetables and some other items. It will reduce your effort in the kitchen by a big margin. You'll be able to chop up cabbages into small pieces instantly. You will no longer be hassled by peeling and chopping an onion. It'll happen instantly. The knives of the electric chopper will give you finely chopped or sliced vegetables and fruits as you like it almost instantly. The 5 electric vegetable choppers that are featured in this video are very popular, very reliable, and high quality. You buy any one of them, you will be fully satisfied with it and you will get excellent results. The brands are among the top brands in India like Borosil and Inalsa, Orpat, Prestige, and also Glen. So let's start off with the first one. It's the Glen Mini Chopper 4043 Plus. Glen has been around in India for over 2 decades and it is well known as a brand that brings out innovative and high quality products, and they have an international brand name. They've got very good manufacturing plants in India, so you are going to get a very good product, a reliable product, and a high quality product. They not only make the product quality very high, they also make them good looking. The Glen Mini Chopper is a compact chopper. It is great for chopping, mashing, and pureeing small quantities of food very quickly. It has stainless steel blade which you can use to chop onions, mash bananas, or even prepare baby food or make a tomato puree. It also allows you to chop nuts, and it has a 400 milliliter jar which is just ideal for the small quantities of chopping that you need to do. It has a good anti-skid base which makes it pretty stable. It has an additional bowl which you can use to prevent mixing of 2 diverse flavors which you have to chop while preparing a dish. For example, while mixing onions and chopping onions in one and garlic in another one, or beating an egg in one. So 2 bowls helps you to prepare maybe 2 different dishes easily. These bowls are efficient because you can actually store whatever is in the bowl directly in the fridge, as they have a lid, and it's transparent and break resistant and made up of food grade materials. It has basically a 2-edged cutting blade for doing the chopping, cutting and slicing, which is very fast and effective. The non-slip ring of this chopper makes it very stable and also reduces vibrations when you're operating it. At the number 4 spot is the Prestige PEC 3.0 electric chopper. Prestige is a brand name that is well known throughout the country and very reliable. And this particular electric chopper is high quality, it's powerful, sleek, and it is versatile. It will let you do a whole array of things, right from chopping onions or vegetables to whipping, cutting fruits, and cutting nuts, even crushing ice. It has a very powerful 250 watt motor and it has a twin stainless steel blade system. It is very highly rated in terms of performance, quality and convenience, and like most of the electric choppers, it also has a transparent jar which is durable and lets you see the ingredients that are being chopped and sliced. The design of the chopper is such that there's a button right on top and you just press it and the motor starts and starts chopping and slicing vegetables and items that you place in the jar. It offers 3 levels of chopping, either coarse, medium or fine, and it also has a whipper for whipping cream. It's highly rated and a very efficient and effective electric chopper. At the number 3 spot, we have the Orpat Express electric chopper. This comes with a 250 watt motor and it has a huge list of features and a specially ergonomic design and style. It has very high levels of efficiency and is high quality and uses very good material. It has a multi-purpose hygienic stainless steel chopping blade which has a very unique design with a sharp edge that will ensure that everything is chopped quickly and effectively. It has a one-touch operation. You just push the button on top and the chopper starts. For whisking, it comes with plastic blades, and it also has a non-slip base that makes it stable and prevents it from moving around when in operation. It comes with 2 jars of 500 ml capacity, which are made from transparent food grade plastic, and they also have level markers. You can chop all kinds of vegetables, fruits, nuts, and also prepare soups, milkshakes, etc., and even whisk eggs all very quickly. This is a really good choice, which is durable and high quality. Almost at the top of the list, at the number 2 spot, is the Inalsa 4-in-1 chopper. This is a 250 watt chopper. It is called the Chopper Joy, and this Inalsa Joy mini chopper is a portable chopper that is very easy to operate and literally takes all the hard work out of food preparation. It's compact, but it's powerful and lets you chop and prepare ingredients very quickly and very precisely. It has a stainless steel blade system and also a blending power pod, which ensures that you can do safe, quick and simple chopping of all ingredients. It has a 500 ml transparent jar, which is durable and provides excellent visibility for the ingredients that are being chopped. The operation is press button. The button is up the top and it gives you great control for fine chopping. The stainless steel blade system of Inalsa Joy is very efficient and it delivers great results without letting the chopper overheat. You also get variable speed controls, which allows you to get the desired texture for your ingredients. It is also very easy to attach the whisker and replace the chopping blades with the whisker to do your whisking. With the Inalsa Joy, you can churn curd for making lassi, you can make creamy batter for making pakoras, whisk eggs, chop vegetables. It is a multi-purpose and very efficient electric chopper. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the Borosil Chef Delight. This is a 300 watt chopper. The motor is 300 watts, the most powerful in this list, and it is really efficient and high quality. This chopper comes with 2 different blades. One is a single blade and one is a dual blade. The dual blade allows for finer chopping. Like in all the other choppers, it has a push button operation. The blades have sharp edges, which facilitates better and more efficient chopping. You can chop anything from spinach to leafy vegetables to fruits, nuts. The plastic bowl of this chopper is 600 ml capacity, and it is a chop, serve and store plastic bowl with a lid. Though it is got a 300 watt motor, it is portable and very easy to use, and it has a good anti-skid rubber base which keeps it stable, doesn't allow it to move, and also reduces vibration. And this powerful chopper has silent operation and a low noise motor. And for the motor's safety, it also has an inbuilt thermal auto cutoff. So these are the 5 best electric vegetable choppers that you can buy today. All links to check out the current price and further details are there in the description. Just have a quick look, click the link, and you can buy one of these right now and bring it home. Do like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.